So we're going to take a ferry back across the river to our ship after visiting. So, very colorful boats. Hello. Thank you. So. Does that mean we're overweight? So that's town of Luxor over there with the riverboats, where our tour is ending. We're going back to the hotel to take a shower and then have lunch before we go to the airport later this afternoon. So we're getting back to the boat. We happen to park across or next to Sheraton Hotel with some palookas out front. So the ship is there, called the Royal Lily. On the ship, we're going to have to climb up on the top of the boat that we're taxi that we're in to get in the door right there.
See, there's no deck. I feel like we're pirates attacking the ship.
So here we go. Up.
Got it? Crazy Americans.
Okay, we're getting up on top. Across into the hotel.
Hey, here you are.
Hello. Welcome back. Hello. Thank you. We're back at the ship.